Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make sheermal. Let's begin. To 400 grams of refined flour, add a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk powder and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Whisk all the dry ingredients together. Now add in 2 large eggs and 2 cups of warm water. The water should not be bubbling hot, only lukewarm, or else the yeast will not activate. Pour a tablespoon of oil and continue kneading to make a soft dough. This will take 5 to 8 minutes. Once done, cover and let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. It is winter now, so the dough has risen after 3 hours and doubled in size. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter and continue kneading for 10 minutes. This will increase the elasticity of the dough and make the sheermal smooth. After the ghee is well incorporated, we shall now cover the sheermal and set it aside for 30 minutes. Dough is well rested. Now we will start making the sheermal bread. Take a lemon-sized portion and start flattening the dough on a floured surface. We are using our fingers and not a rolling pin to give the sheermal bread a tandoor-like look. Sheermal is a saffron-flavored, slightly sweet flatbread, said to have originated in Iran and in the Indian subcontinent. Use a fork to make indents. This will prevent the flatbread from rising. Put the flattened dough on the heated pan and let one side cook for 30 seconds. To prepare the saffron water, I have dissolved half a teaspoon of saffron or kesar in half cup of lukewarm water. I've also added a teaspoon of sugar and kept it aside for 30 minutes. Apply it evenly on one side of the sheermal bread. This will give it a beautiful color and slightly sweet saffron taste. Now turn the bread so that the saffron water gets dried up. This will take 30 seconds. Cook all the sheermals in this manner. Sheermal is now ready to be served. Served best with a spicy gravy.